Hi everyone! Today I'm going to make eggs and sausage stuffed sandwich, which is very easy to make. You will enjoy this one, guys. The taste is on the next level. Let's get cooking. Let's do some quick chopping. First, here I have one onion. We will have to roughly chop it. You can also use a grater if you want. After that, we are going to cut cabbage, chili and sausage also. We have to chop all of these finely. Now crack 2 eggs, add a pinch of salt and stir well. To make the filling, here I am heating a pan. In the hot pan, we will add the oil. Here I am using about 2 tablespoons of oil. After the oil is hot, I'll add a little bit of garlic. Once the garlic starts to turn translucent, we add onions to it. Here I am using 1 big onion which is finely chopped. After 2 minutes, onions are looking good. Now we are going to add sausage which is finely chopped. Now we will cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Time to add cabbage and green chili. Just sprinkling a little bit of salt. I'm also going to add chili flakes and some turmeric. Now mix all of these together. Now we are going to add our beaten eggs. This needs to be mixed nicely and evenly on a very low flame. Gently break the cooked eggs into small pieces. You can also add little bit of black pepper powder if you want, but it's totally optional. The filling is all ready. Now we are going to take bread slices and just place the filling in the center. Place the other side on the top and cut off the edges of the breads all sides. Similarly, let's make some more sandwiches. Heat a pan or you can just use a grill. Add a little butter, just spread it out. Place the prepared sandwich on the pan. You can toast it for about 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Apply the butter on the top of the bread. Once it's toasted on one side, flip it to the other side. Once the sandwich is toasted on both sides, remove from the pan, serve it immediately nice and hot. In just 10 to 15 minutes, you can make this recipe. It makes for a perfect evening snack. If you enjoyed this, give it a like and share it with your friends.